Hello dear friends, welcome to my free intro lesson on investments in cryptocurrencies. A few words about myself. I've been in crypto for over 7 years, initially learning about digital assets from a legal standpoint, in particular how crypto is regulated by authorities in various countries. Then getting into investing into crypto and trading crypto futures. I'm a successful investor for over 10 years and a trader for over 5 years. In addition to trading crypto futures, I also trade commodities futures, forex, options and stock, with a developed trading strategy for each type of assets. Since 2017, I've been living in Lisbon, Portugal. Previously, I lived in Washington, D.C., London and Moscow. I'm an international corporate lawyer by the background, and I'm passionate about traveling, surfing and cooking Italian cuisine. Now, necessary housekeeping first. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and risky instruments, and as such you must be aware of the risks and always conduct your own due diligence before buying or selling any cryptocurrencies or NFTs. This presentation is intended for educational purposes only. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed in this presentation. The past performance of any investments or trading system or algorithm is not an indicator or a guarantee of future results. Now, since you're watching this video, it means that you're already interested in the subject and you want to know more about cryptocurrencies in general, about investing in crypto, about what potential profits could be, about sources, additional sources of income. You want to understand how and what to do. You want to know how much money you need to start investing, what are the rules of investment, and how to keep your savings safe. But most importantly, how to multiply your wealth. For those who still have doubts about whether to even get into this and invest in this market, I will give you strong arguments as to why you should invest in cryptocurrencies now. First of all, it is the fastest growing market in the world. Secondly, cryptocurrencies are the most progressive invention after the internet. Thirdly, there is an opportunity to have 100, 200, 300 or even more % per year profit. And most importantly, it is an inevitable part of our lives. Today, cryptocurrency market capitalization stands at around $2 trillion. And just to be clear and put it into perspective, it is almost as much as market cap of Amazon and Meta taken together. The cryptocurrency market is increasing its capitalization faster than Apple and Microsoft did back in the days. Cryptocurrency market is rapidly developing. Cryptocurrency market is rapidly developing. Cryptocurrency market is rapidly developing, constantly evolving and expanding its global reach. Many countries already accept Bitcoin as payment for goods and services. It is already possible to buy real estate with Bitcoin and even charge electric cars paying Bitcoin. The largest funds already buy cryptocurrencies and create EFTs on cryptocurrencies. The SEC has already approved spot Bitcoin ETF, which means that within the next 10 years tops, cryptocurrencies will be firmly in everyone's life. Of course, by then many aspects of cryptocurrencies will be regulated by the governments, and investing in cryptocurrencies will no longer bring such great returns as now. But this simply proves that those who have decided to start now have chosen the right time. The most amazing thing about cryptocurrencies is not its high return, but it's actually technology behind it. Blockchain. In essence, it is a distribution and storage of information on decentralized source. This technology is applicable to any large data storage system, including medicine and pharma, financial system, media, personal ID security, government, and many others. So, how does blockchain work? Let's have a look at this chart. As we know, all currency transactions are typically controlled by a centralized bank. In blockchain, however, there is no centralized organization that verifies the process of sending data. Blockchain is literally a chain of blocks where each digital block contains a data set of this particular network. All blocks are lined up one after another, and each block contains information about the previous block and the next block. The blocks are linked by special keys. Now, the overall goal of blockchain is to create a system where people do not have to go to a third party to keep track of anything. And at the same time, the main advantage of blockchain technology is in its transparency. Everyone can see information inside the block, but no one can destroy it or change it. Before we jump into crypto exchanges, let's have a look at finance. There are two financial systems in crypto industry: centralized finance and decentralized finance. And the debate about which one is better has been going on for years. So, centralized finance services where users can take advantage of cryptocurrency while remaining dependent on third parties, to whom they actually entrust the storage of their funds and the management. Decentralization removes intermediates from transactions, gives everyone the same opportunity to use financial services, and no registration or personalization of ID is required. Assets belong only to the users and not transferred to any third parties. Now, I will tell you in more details about how it all works during my Crypto Basic and Crypto Start courses. Once you understand how this innovative technology works, you will be able to enter this market at the moment of its development. You will be able to learn to identify promising projects and make a great profit on it. After all, emerging markets are always giving the highest returns. Of course, everyone is interested in question, how much can I earn? And since this lesson is an introductory one, I will give you one crystal clear example. In 2023, Bitcoin has grown by over 155%, which means that if in January 2023 you would have invested $1,000, by the end of the year you would have had $2,550. If you had invested in Ethereum, for example, the second largest cryptocurrency, $1,000, by the end of the year you would have had $1,960. And if you had invested in Solana, $1,000, by the end of the year you would have had a whopping $7,400. And of course there are other coins and projects that give up to 3,000% per year. If you compare with any other investments, and you can see it here on the slide, you can compare it with securities, stock, bonds, commodities, and so on. None of those assets provide such profits. None of those assets. You can see it here. And in my course, I share with you step-by-step guidance on how to select such projects: new, innovative, profitable. And you will receive an unparalleled profit with it. Так, давай отсюда. Of course, everyone is interested in question, how much can I earn? Since this lesson is an introductory one, I will give you one crystal clear example. In 2023, Bitcoin has grown by 155% more or less. This means that if in January 2023 you would have invested $1,000, by the end of the year you would have had $2,550. If you had invested in Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, $1,000, by the end of the year you would have had $1,960. And if you have had invested in Solana, $1,000, by the end of the year you would have had a whopping $7,400. And there are also other coins that give 3,000 or more % per year. And if you compare it with any other investments, and you can see it here on the slide, you can compare it with securities, stock, bonds, commodities, and so on. None of those assets provide such profit. So, and the main thing here, it's absolutely a passive income. It's only buy and hold strategy, hodl. In my course, I share with you step-by-step guidance on how to select such projects: new, innovative, promising, those that give you an unparalleled profit. Now, the second most popular question asked is, how much money can I start with? And I always say you can start with as little as $50, and you should always start with the amount that is comfortable for you. What does it mean? Comfortable amount is different for everyone. This is the amount that you're willing to risk. A beginner should not start with large sum, let alone take a bank credit or invest, in the hope with getting some quick profit. A comfortable amount is your extra money, an amount you're ready to take a risk with and to try something new. And of course, once you understand how crypto works, you may increase the size of your investment. The next question is more technical, but also is quite often asked. Where do I buy cryptocurrencies? The next question is more technical but still often asked. Where do I buy cryptocurrencies? We already talked about centralized and decentralized exchanges, and as a beginner, I recommend starting with centralized exchanges. The largest, safest, and user-friendly interfaced exchanges are Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin. In my Crypto Start course, we mainly focus on those three, and I provide step-by-step video instructions on how to register with each of those three exchanges, and I will also take you through their interfaces. At the end of this lesson, you can click on the instruction button and you will get step-by-step instruction on how to register with Binance and even how to buy a portion of Bitcoin for $50. As soon as you follow my step-by-step guidance, you can safely declare to everyone that now you are a crypto investor. Of course, as soon as you buy a fraction of a coin, you will have a million more questions. What's next? How to store safely? How to realize if it's growing? When to sell? How to sell correctly? And I will answer all this and many other questions during my Crypto Start course. I position this course as the most comprehensive course for those who want to start investing in cryptocurrencies correctly. During the course, I will not only tell you what to do, but I will also show you how to do it, providing clear video instructions which you can easily pause at any moment and follow me at your own pace. Also, a detailed PDF instructions will be provided. All lessons are pre-recorded and you can watch them at your convenience. You also have an option to have a live coach throughout your study process. Believe me, anyone can do it, regardless of age, educational background, work schedule, absolutely anyone. Now, so if you're interested in cryptocurrencies and in additional opportunities to make money, then I invite you to my Crypto Start course. At the end of the course, you will leave with clear understanding about crypto, knowledge of how to register and open an account with Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin, how to transfer your fiat money into your crypto account, how to buy USDT, with which you then be able to buy coins, how to actually buy and sell coins, how to deposit and withdraw your funds, and you will also live with a promising portfolio even if you have just $50. Plus, I will give you two bonuses, a comprehensive presentation about NFTs, also with video guidance, and a guide on various ways to make money with crypto with and without any investments. Another essential question I'm always asked, is there a risk of losing money? And the answer is yes, there is. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and risky instrument, always remember that. As with anything else you put your money into, if you do not have understanding what you're doing, you are very much likely to lose. If you're treating market like casino or gambling, if you're randomly investing in obscure coins or projects without any due diligence, then yes, you can and will likely lose your money. I teach self-investment, not to blindly follow other people's dubious signals. I'll teach you to invest and trade without any intermediates, without trust management, pyramid structures, and so on. I share with you knowledge on how to select, buy, and properly store reliable assets on your own, so you will not be dependent on anyone else. All profits in this case is yours, but the risks are always yours. But that would be the same even if you follow someone else's signals. The risk is always yours. As I said, cryptocurrency market is an investment with increased risks. However, if you do everything competently, get into topic, understand what it is, then your risk can also be managed and your savings will not go bust. For those of you who are not willing to risk with any money at all, I welcome you to learn about testnets, making money without any investments. Testnet course is a short but very comprehensive course and also with a clear video instructions. All that is required from you is your time and patience. And how and where to find suitable testnet projects, how to pass and get cryptocurrency, I will show you during the course. With testnet, I will also give you a bonus, and it is tailor-made Excel sheet to keep your all testnet projects recorded and well organized. So since I've started talking about my courses, I will mention one more course, and it's more theoretical than practical. It's Crypto Basic course. a detailed, comprehensive lessons on cryptocurrencies, blockchain, cryptography, smart contracts, centralized, decentralized finance and exchanges, decentralized applications, crypto wallets, staking, gaming finance, and airdrops, and many, many more. So everything is in plain language with clear visual presentation and examples. This course is for those who don't know anything about crypto yet, but really wants to understand it. The bonus for this course is also a detailed guide on various ways to make money with crypto with and without any investments. Therefore, I invite you to learn. Even if you don't have a background in finance and economics, even if you don't have a lot of capitals to start with, even if you don't have a lot of spare time to learn something new, it doesn't matter. Cryptocurrency is for everyone and provides equal opportunities for everyone to make money. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.